How to tag people in your posts on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can tag people in your post on Instagram. Okay, straight into it. First, go to Instagram and start to make a post in the normal way. Next, on this screen, before you upload the post, you can see the option for tag people. So click on that. Next, just tap on the photo anywhere to tag somebody. So start to type their name, then select them, and then they're tagged. To add somebody else, just hit add tag, and select the next person. You can drag the tag around anywhere on the post that you like, and if you would like to delete that tag, just tap on it and then tap on the little X, and then the tag is deleted. Next, upload the post. And then once that's posted, tap on the photo and you can see that person is tagged. And that's all it takes to tag people in your Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.